What's up?
Hindi ko alam ano yung cellphone, masayong.
We also speak Tagalog. We're Filipinos. So, I'm Tagalog and English.
Adaan natin? Nakita na ka mo?
My grandma is what I don't really understand what but I don't care. I'll show the final result. Maybe I put too much oil, but that's fine.
Ayan, hindi ka maarang matagkisiwan o dayat malatak balay paglaro sa isikuan itong isulahan. Ano ko rin ako may kapapalaunan? Rani naman po. Ha? Maalan?
Yes. Okay, this is.
Ano yatan? O sa nagliko? Ada kaya na may kapapalaunan? Na. Ay, isa ka. Tiga manggod basta naka-short.
Here it is. So we just no. Here's the dragon. I was kind of a bit weird, but I don't care. This is good enough. Yeah, good enough.
Kuya, nasa kulo ko man eh. Wala may ayaraan. Isa na luksong.
Would you just excuse me for a moment? Okay, that was just someone. Our business is run a mini store. I'm in our mini store. This is the dragon. This is probably my third dragon that I made about 5 years ago. Oh, that was 1 year. Here's the other side. Here's the other side. Much fun. Look at this. Here it is. Okay, I think this is much more better. Where is the bus? I'm dying. A feeling case has some lemon. Thank you. Yeah, actually, it works. I thought it was gonna turn out wrong, but no. It's actually pretty good. Where is the bus? Thank you. Okay.